Because Kev, all I'm doing, just if we were ripping it apart, all I'm doing is looking in here to make sure they're running the standard rockers. Okay. And I just measured the rocker from the midpoint to from the fulcrum to the rod, and from the fulcrum to the top of the valve, and they should be equal. That way it's a 1-to-1 rocker, and that's legal.
Okay.
Yep. There's one way to cheat is put like a 1 to 1.3, get more opening of the valve. But the main thing that we're checking is on any motor that's been touched is the cam. You're looking at the dwell, you're looking at the lift. And we have numbers for that. It's supposed to be such and such, because we know that changes the performance of the motor without doing anything else.
All right.
Just for your information, we're going to set this. Yes. Do hold this. Find top dead center after intake the valve opens. So I'm going to move this around. And this is the exhaust valve. Now the intake is starting to open. Alright. Now after it opens, the cylinder's down. And you're just going to tell me when you get top dead center. And so just hold that there. Come up. Oh. Yeah, that's it. And just gotta let it float on that. Otherwise, got to put a little groove in it. It's up there. Should be in there. Don't cut yourself. Bleed on.
Going down there.
Going down or up?
Going down.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
One more. Right there.
You want this to have a stock configuration. Me, on the other hand, I don't know what happened. I blew something right through the block one day. It went right through the hole. Right through this. It looked like a bullet hole. I don't know. To this day, I don't know what happened. But man, it looked dangerous. So anyway, that's what we're looking for. So I just made that measurement. These are 1-to-1. Yes, this is a stock arrangement. That's it. All right.
Bob, thank you. Thank you very much, man.
Good seeing you guys.
It's good seeing you. We'll see you here in a couple weeks.
Everything must go.
All right.